E46 project. Yesterday I took it for first drive, and unfortunately the expansion tank burst and all the coolant fell out before I got to drive it too much, but silver lining, it did come with a spare one. So today what we're going to be doing is swapping out the old cracked one and putting this one in for now. Eventually I would like to upgrade it to an aluminum one just so it has a little bit more, longevity. But yeah, let's get into it and get our hands dirty. This one came out. You can see where the huge crack was. Unfortunately, the one that came with it does not have this lower outlet, so we're gonna have to go and get a new one from the shop in order to replace this today. So a little bit of a snafu, but it's okay. We're turning this bad boy into a drift car, which means we need to get all of the extra weight out of the car to make it more efficient, make it go faster, make it do cool stuff. So we already got the interior liner out. I'm gonna rip all of this stuff out and make it as light as possible. Got the carpet out, pulled out the spare, got a little bit more weight off of it, one step closer to turn this bad boy into a race car. So as you can see, I've got a lot of the interior pulled out. Next thing to go would be these seats. Say goodbye to these seats. We're gonna make room for some spare tires that will fit in the back here, and on to the next thing. All this gotta go. Get it out. Ooh. Bye. This is what my therapist prescribed. Just rip shit. Alright. A little bit more weight off. It's just gonna be fast. For removing all the interior bits like seatbelts and whatnot, you're gonna need a T50 Torx. And here we go. So I can get this bitch off. Oh, it's already pretty loose. You won't need any of these seatbelts. No one will be sitting in the back except for the tires. So. I got it. There we go. Easier when I use my fingers. There we go. All right. Now we gotta do the other side. Get this other little clip out. There it goes. And now these bitches can come out. Say goodbye. There we go. Last bits. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. That's the last of that. There we go. Hold on. All this has gotta go. Every little bit adds up to the weight of the car. So we're trying to make this baby as light as possible so we can go as fast as possible. Oh, there we go. Got it. Toodaloo. All right. Last little bit for the seatbelts. Won't be taking any passengers. Just prisoners. There we go. Now we gotta do the other side, and it's basically a race car. Yeah. Oh, voila! Just have to disconnect this bad boy, I guess. What is it? Oh, it's the speaker. And we're free. Goodbye, door panel. Hello, naked door. Oh yeah. Then you're naked. Like to see me tear it up. Oh, good. Bye. Eee. Oh, gross. Ugh. Wow. That's gonna be fun to take off. Ooh. Look at all the stuff inside. Yummy. Look at that. So much better. I like it. Be gone. Oh no. Alright. On to the next thing. It's looking pretty cleaned out.